Hello, my friend. Welcome to another video. My name is Tammy Anderson, and this is Tammy Anderson Art. I wanted to stop in and say hi. I wanted to stop in and say welcome to my channel. And I also wanted to stop in to say thank you to all of you that reached out to me during my little episode with my cookie girl. She's doing much better. As a matter of fact, I will show you her. Here she is right here, all healthy and happy again. She stopped breathing on me. Well, not stopped breathing, but she really could not breathe. And I had to bring her to the emergency vet. And thousands of dollars later, here she is, all better. And I just wanted to say thank you to all of you that took the time out of your day to message me. And for the donations, I am totally grateful. That's what I'm going to say. A few of you sent me some donations to help with her, and I can just not tell you how helpful that was and how grateful I am. I just hope and pray that I can continue to give you what you need in your daily life, whether it be learning how to do something in the art area or just putting a smile on your face. You guys have enriched my life in ways that I'm not going to get into right now. Maybe one day I will let you know. That's a story for a book. Anyway, I love you all. Let's watch this video and see what kind of trouble I can get myself into today. Okay, so today I am going to use gray for my background because my little cookie girl, the cat that you just saw, is gray. So I figure I'd pay a little tribute to her. And also, I want to say thank you to Kanella Ciraco Art for giving me a shout out in her last few videos. I truly appreciate her help, and I just want to do something that she has been doing that has been inspiring me. So please make sure you check out her channel. I will link it above right now. I will link it in the description, and I will also link it at the end of the video. She makes amazing Dutch pours. Please go check her out. She's very close to 100,000. Is going to have a huge giveaway. So make sure you check her out. So anyway, as I said, I wanted to use something to pay tribute to my little girl. So gray, I made myself. I used Artist Loft white with a little bit of Amsterdam black to make just your basic gray color. That's going to be my background. Then I have here Muted Violet by Liquitex. I have Pthalo Turquoise, one of my favorite colors of all time, by Golden. I have Muted Turquoise by Liquitex. And then I have Sterling Silver from from Deco Art. So I'm going to take my gray paint. I'm going to dump it on my canvases. I have two canvases. Speaking of, I don't know if you guys are aware of this, so I will tell you. These canvases are sold at Michael's. They are made specifically for paint pouring. They're the coolest thing. And let me tell you something, if you want to do resin on canvas, this is the best thing right here because it's not going to sag in the middle. Now, I don't have a link or anything like that. I'm not affiliated or can get you a discount or anything like that. I bought these from Michael's. And what they are is they're canvas, and then they put a piece of hard cardboard in there so you don't have that sagging in the middle. I absolutely love it. So there are two 11 by 14s. So we're going to do a diptych. I'm going to put my gray down on the canvas and I'll be right back. All right, so that's done. And I just want to show you the bottles. for those muted colors because they are different than the normal Liquitex paints. They are a soft body acrylic. I will try to put them in my Amazon shop if they're on Amazon. And that link is also in the description. Okay, so I have the gray down. So here's how we're going to do this. I'm going to put down first the muted turquoise. You know what, let me just put these a little closer together and so that they are even. You want them to be as pretty even as possible so that the pattern can continue onto the next panel when you're blowing. All right, here we go. Paints are mixed with FLOETROL and water. That's it. The recipe will be in the description. This is the Pthalo turquoise going on next. I think I'll put a little bit more of that right there. Then the muted violet. Okay, and last is the sterling silver. Okay, I'm going to be using today Angelina Blow-Lee. If you have not seen her yet, there she is. She's in my Amazon shop. I absolutely love it. It's a stick hair dryer. Well, they call it a hairbrush. And, you know, I forgot to tell you guys last time I showed you this, not that you would use this in painting, although we could maybe find a way to use them. It comes with 2 of the brushes to do your hair. So, you know, you can do your painting and then go take a shower and do your hair with this thing too. So it comes with 2 different sizes of these. And it was like 20 bucks, I think, 20 or $24. But I love the way it works. So anyway, that's in my Amazon shop too. And a big thank you to all of you that have been using my Amazon link. It helps tremendously. I do not have a coupon code though for Amazon. I get a lot of emails regarding that. There is no coupon for Amazon. It's just that my channel gets credit if you go through the link to get to Amazon to do any of your shopping, not just art supplies. All right, here we go. I absolutely love that color. I knew I was going to love that color palette. Oh, I absolutely love it. So now I just have to kind of shape things up a little bit here. Now you can use a straw. You can use the blow dryer. It's a little bit harder with the blow dryer because of the fact that you have to get into these narrow areas now. And, oh, the cells on this. Woo, child. Let me tell you something. I cannot wait to show you this one. So it's hard to get into those narrow areas. So something that's a little bit more narrow, like a straw or the airbrush. Wow. I don't even know where I want to go here. I am absolutely loving it. Yeah, I'm not sure where I want to go. Wow. I love it. All right, let me pause you for a second and think. So looking from your angle, which I'm liking better. So I'm thinking, see how we have this one coming off here of the canvas. I'm going to blow this one up a little bit. What I'm going to use to do that, the blow dryer for that one area there, because I have a nice opening here and I won't disturb the other. Don't want to disturb the other areas. So now I'm going to get my I almost said my blowtorch. That's probably what I need, is a blowtorch. My airbrush. And I'm going to help this out a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to do a little bit right over here, I think. Or maybe not. Maybe not. I'm afraid to do anything to it just because I love it so much. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop right there. I mean, I have to show this thing to you. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely, it's like icy and, oh. Okay, so I'll start this way and then in a second I'll turn the lights off so you can see the sterling silver. It's so cloudy and mysterious and, oh, this is going to be fantastic with resin on it. Absolutely fantastic with resin on it. Okay. So now you'll see all the shimmer from the silver. So that's it, my friends. I'm leaving it alone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I want to thank you for those that reached out for a cookie and for the donations. It was very, very helpful, and I truly appreciate it. If you're bored and have nothing to do, which I highly doubt, but I have a ton of older videos. You could check out resin videos, all types of videos, mix of media, even a soap making video somewhere in there. That is gorgeous. Check out the links in the description for my Amazon shop, for my group United We Pour with Tammy and Lisa. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok I'd signed up for recently. I think I have 1 follower on there. So if you're on there, please come follow me. Anyway, I love you all, and until the next time, my friend, happy pouring.